So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to look at the trusted website that has been around for a very long time. It is currently one of the biggest sites on the planet. It has generated well over a few billion last year alone, and it's set to grow even more this year. They're expanding to areas all over the world, and if they are not currently in your country, they will be there very soon. Okay, now with this specific site you could actually earn up to $100 a day if you are going to follow the guidelines that I give you here. This is not a site for lazy people. Okay, I'm going to show you how to navigate this site properly, how to make the best of it. I'm also going to tell you some of the terms and conditions and things you need to expect when signing up to this platform to earn some money online. So if this sounds interesting to you, then watch this video all the way till the end and get your pen and paper ready so you can write down all the do's and don'ts of the site and what you need to know. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so the name of the site is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So the name of the site is Amazon Mechanical Turk. As you can see right there, what you need to do is go to Google, search Amazon Mechanical Turk. It will always be the first result in the Google search engine, and you need to sign up to create an account as a freelancer, as a worker basically. So once you've signed up as a worker, what you're going to need to do is actually wait until they invite you back to the platform. Now this is one of the things you need to know, is that there may be a multitude of reasons why they will not choose you. Okay, because for me, I've never actually been accepted with Amazon Mechanical Turk, but other people that I've recommended applying to the site have actually been accepted. Not all of them. Okay, Amazon has their own reasons for actually not accepting you, but others say that you just have to wait about a month or 3 and then reapply, and then you will actually get accepted, maybe on the second or the third time. Now Amazon does pay you via mail, check mail, direct bank account, not for every country, and also via PayPal, also not for every country, but anyone all over the world can join the site to actually make money. And the great thing about it is because Amazon is so big, there's a lot of people that actually want to work with Amazon and actually use their freelancers. Amazon is giving you the opportunity just to do that. Now this is what the dashboard is going to look like. Okay, you can see here the requesters, the people are actually going to pay you for the tasks. In the title you can see what specific tasks they want. Now all of these tasks are not for everyone. Okay, do not mind the pay here. I'll show you how to get the better paying jobs in a few minutes. Okay, so but you can basically take a look at what these people want. Now some of these tasks need you to qualify for them. Okay, now with hits you can see how many people have actually done these tasks, how many people have actually accepted to these tasks. Now you need to check out what the qualifications is that they actually ask for. You can also preview these tasks. Okay, so my internet is slow again, but don't worry. Okay, so okay, it's not showing me a preview because I'm not accepted. Okay, so here are the instructions. Search the school, city if applicable, and state below in Google. Look for the following information for the principal of the school, as well as a general email for the school. It may be best to search the school, city and state followed by principal for a more direct link to the information. Information will be available either on a school website or a state database. It doesn't matter where the information is from, just record as much as possible. If the information is unable to be found, put NA as the answer. The hit will be declined and worker blocked for false information, or if you leave hits blank. School information, not real URL. Okay, so they don't. So this is basically the school that you need to find in Iowa, and then the name of the principal, the email of the principal, phone number of the principal, general email of school, of the school, generally will be found in the footer of the website. So these are the easier tasks, and as you can see, that it only pays about 3 cents because it is so easy. But if you want a higher paying task, you need to come over to this tab right here and click reward. So it's going to filter these results by the highest paying. Okay, so as you can see, the higher the results, the less people actually get approved for these jobs. Okay, so these tasks can take anything from a few minutes up to 1 hour. So the approval rate is about 99%, but you also need to read it because many of these are surveys, and it's not just a basic survey like you would find on Swagbucks or those other places. These are opinion poll surveys and basically cover religious aspects of life, sometimes political, and a few other things which may upset some people, some questions which get asked, okay, and views expressed in there. So this may not be for the faint-hearted, but as you can see, these tasks pay around $60. Okay, you can also preview these tasks once again. So story truths, let me look at story truths because it's $20. About 20 people have been approved. Okay, you also go down and see the $8 ones there. Okay, but just let me just show you what you can get here. This here is for the story turtle in a row. Task instructions. The task is part of a set of hits where you complete story truths section for stories. The task instructions are here. Okay, so you need to open this. Just right click, open a new tab. You have been given access to a folder on Drive where you can find a Guinea file. You can find the Guinea file templates for each story. Go to the Drive location here. Select the story that you would like to start annotating. Please remember that doing the full set of story truths, example, entities, locations, SAR and TTO, will take time and will often require asking questions. Due to the length of the task, we recommend that you download the Guinea file template. The Guinea template file and start working. When you are nearly ready to upload it, accept the corresponding hit and click submit. Okay, so as you can see here, you need, after you get qualified, you can or if you're almost done with the job, you can accept it. Okay, and they will get through to you. We will go through the uploads about once a week and approve payment. At that time, we will also let you know if there is any major issue. For example, if the file has been uploaded to the wrong folder. We will also give feedback on task improvement. We will not reject your hits as you are all trusted workers who know what is expected for this task. However, if the work submitted displays any serious misunderstandings, we may ask for minor revisions before approval. Please submit a link to the document you've submitted on Drive corresponding to the story turtle in row. So as you can see, these instructions are quite clear on what you need to do. So before you actually start working with this, I would suggest just get qualification from them, and then you get other tasks which are just accepting work. Okay, finance QA expert annotation. So this is basically you need to annotate the file or conversation here. So we're going to look at the instructions at the more easier ones, and this pays around $8. It could quite possibly work like 30 minutes to 35 minutes depending on your typing speed. There are many factors that impact future costs, including but not limited to weather, inflation, labor, blah blah blah. Okay, so you need to read all of these quite clearly and make sure you understand what the task is about. If you don't understand it, I would suggest just leaving it out because you can put yourself at a disadvantage for future tasks. Okay, so some of these you can see it's about 45 minutes a task and pays around $6. Okay, and if you don't want these, you can go on to the next ones. Okay, you'll see the more you scroll down, okay, the lesser the pay will become, but you also see the dates that these tasks have been uploaded. But I would suggest maybe just starting at the higher paying tasks and working your way down, so when you get paid, you know there's a quite substantial amount of money that you can actually expect, and your time spent on the site would not have been for nothing. Okay, so The website name again is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Just a simple Google search will reveal this for you. Okay, so that's all from me guys for today. I'll see you in the next one. I really hope this video has actually helped you and opened your eyes to what's actually out there in different sites. It's just basically a Google search away for you to go on and start making money with. Okay, I'll also be introducing a new episode to the channel, a new series which will be called niche analysis, where I help people looking to make money online with affiliate marketing and other methods of selling their own products or other people's services, looking more into niches and breaking them down, which and how to make it more profitable for themselves. But that's all from me guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family and those you know are in need of such information, and people that may actually need information and help like this, so they can all succeed and we can all succeed together. I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.